The U.S. Supreme Court pauses the EPA's so-called good neighbor rule.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
In a close 5-4 vote, Scotus put a temporary hold on a U.S. Environmental Protection Agency rule, that's the EPA, that is called the Good Neighbor Rule. It comes into play when a state is viewed as contributing to pollution in another state. Normally, each state is responsible for its own pollution controls. Scotus determined that the strict proposed EPA emissions reduction standards could cause irreversible harm to some of the states involved. Led by Ohio, the state said that the regulation was costly and could lead to blackouts, while the EPA said the rule was needed to fight air pollution. The plaintiff states also claimed that the EPA's plan is an illegal overreach, which undermines the principles of the Federal Clean Air Act, which allows states leeway to propose their own air pollution control measures. The EPA plan is reportedly in effect in 11 states. Courts have blocked it in another 12 states, so interesting balance there. The Supreme Court held that the emissions reduction standards established by a federal plan would probably cause irreversible harm to several of the affected states, unless the plan was stayed until it could be reviewed by the lower courts. This is now punted back to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia to take another look. This is the third major defeat for the EPA over the last few years. It lost an air pollution case regarding carbon dioxide in West Virginia, and then the Sackett case regarding wetlands. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.